Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Mailchimp automated emails to greet your new subscribers the moment they join your list using the 2026 Customer Journey Builder. Let's get into it. First, create a new journey. In 2026, Mailchimp has replaced classic automations with the Customer Journey Builder, which provides a more visual way to map out your subscribers' experience. Log in to your Mailchimp dashboard and click on the Automations icon in the left-hand sidebar. Click the Build from Scratch button. If you're looking for a shortcut, you can also search the pre-built journeys for Welcome New Contacts. Name your journey, like Official Welcome, and select the audience you want to target. Next, set the starting point. The starting point is the specific action that tells Mailchimp to fire off the email. Click Choose a Starting Point. Select Signs Up. This ensures that whenever a user enters their email into your website form or landing page, the journey begins immediately. Make sure the checkbox for Imported Contacts is either checked or unchecked based on your needs. Usually, for a true welcome email, you only want this to trigger for new organic signups. Lastly, add and design your email. Now that the trigger is set, we need to add the actual message the subscriber will receive. Click the plus icon on the journey map or drag and drop the Send Email action. Click into the email block to set your subject line, try something warm like "You're in, here's your gift," and select Design Email. Create a template to drag and drop your logo, a personalized greeting using the merge tag, and a clear call to action or CTA button. Once you're happy with the design, click Save and Return to Journey, then Finalize in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. To automate your welcome emails in 2026, head to Automations, start a new customer journey triggered by signups, and design your message using your template. This ensures every new fan gets a professional first impression without you having to send a single manual email. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.